Hey, what is going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day. I want to explain something on your washer and your dryer. I'm going to do the washer first. Something to do maintenance-wise every month maybe, but on the bottom of it, there is a filter. And so all the lint, everything in the washer, sort of gets put down into this filter. And so it's good to clean this thing out every once in a while. And what you're going to want to do, so usually, if I can get to it, this metal plate is up here on the washer. So obviously you're not seeing this stuff. It sort of lines up. Have it backwards. Let's see. No. But it sort of sits in there like that, essentially. Something like that. I already took it out. But anyway, the first thing you're going to want to do is take this off. And it looks like it might be a Phillips or a flathead screw. A couple screws you're going to have to take out. I already did it. And honestly, once you get this thing taken off, you can just leave the screws out. You know, there's some notches that stick in it. So the first thing you're going to need to do is take a couple screws out on each side to get this panel off. The second thing is, you'll see this filter in here, and there's going to be water coming out. So what I usually do is stick a towel underneath it, because water is going to leak. If a little water gets out, no big deal. It's just water. But to prevent any more water, you stick a towel under there. And you sort of want to avoid the electrical. It's not going to kill it. But after that, and I can already see the water coming out. And so this towel is going to sort of soak up that water. And you can hear it. And you probably haven't done it in a couple of months. So that's what I'm showing you guys how to do this. Like I said, if you don't do this every once in a while, your washer will start to stink. And that is no bueno. And, you know, after you do wash your clothes, a little tip, always leave the door open, because it'll start to stink in there if you close the door after you wash your clothes. So always, always, always leave the door open after you're washing your clothes. So you can sort of see in there, there's rocks, there's other stuff that gets caught in there. That's sort of what it's for, is to catch those things. So after you take it out, wash it off under hot water, make it all clean, and then you simply can sort of clean this out with that existing towel. You should get all the guckies out of it, and so it's nice and clean. Oh, there's something else. Look, who even knows what that is? So you're able to get, oh my gosh, there's something else in there. See, and this is why you do that. Sort of lets the air out, lets the smell out, but it is as simple as that. The hardest part is getting the door off. But like I said, once you get the door off, you can just sort of slip it back in there. Don't have to screw everything back in, and you're good to go. So hopefully that helps. I'm going to show you how to do the dryer next, which is a simple vent, but the washer is definitely the hardest, and it keeps your washer clean. So easy peasy, takes a couple minutes to do. I'm going to clean the filter off. Screw it back in there. And we're ready to rock and roll. So hopefully that helps. Just a little tip, like I said, when you're washing your clothes, always leave the washer door open. Once every month, get under here, clean this filter out, and you will be good. Okay, and for the dryer, it's a lot easier to get to. It's just this simple vent right here. And look at that. That collects within a couple weeks. So super important to prevent fires from happening. If this is not cleaned out and it gets really built up in there, it can cause fires. I've heard of it happening before. This is super easy to do. This literally takes 30 seconds. Just want to clean all that lint out of there. Nice and clean. And you stick it back in like so. And obviously you can do a better job cleaning all this stuff off here with a wet paper towel or rag. But that's it for the dryer. Make sure you clean that vent every couple weeks so lint doesn't build up and cause a fire. So hopefully that helps, and have a great day. Peace.